Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to schedule mails in your mail app. So once your email is ready to send and you want to delay the sending, all you need to do is to click on send icon and hold it for a while. And here you will be able to pick one from the default options, so send 9 to 9, send tomorrow, or tap on send later. And here you can select the date and also the hour, then pick the time zone if you wish to change it. And all you have to do then is to click on done, and once you click on done, the mail would be sent. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.